I'm talking about OMAR S. I like you. Omar, but I'm talking about your record here. So, straight out of Detroit, OMAR S drops a new, raw, crazy production. I would say all analog, an incredible trip with I Like You, this new release. 3 tracks, 3 moods. I would say crunchy. The title actually is kind of teasing. I really like it. I'm not gonna spoil it. It's seriously addictive, I would say, and I let it resonate with you. It's not the first time we share Omar's records on this show, and we always had a good feedback. I tested always his tracks during my live sets, and you guys enjoyed it. So let's share this new release, OMAR S, I Like You. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy! Fantastic, fantastic release. OMAR S, I Like You. Another one to add to your archive in case this didn't hit your radar.